Here's a quick video on how to perform a roll. I use my rolls to evade punches, hooks, or even right hands. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bend my legs to get low under my opponent. Now, if I wanna roll to the left, I'm gonna transfer my weight to the left leg. Bam. If I wanna roll to the right, I just transfer my weight to the right leg, right here. Roll left, roll right. I'm squeezing my ab muscles to make sure that my body can move fast. When I bend down, I wanna make sure that I can still see my opponent. So I don't wanna put my head down, or I don't wanna bend my back over. I wanna bend at the legs with my head up and my hands protecting my face from punches, elbows, or headbutts. So always keep your guard high. If I'm rolling punches, I wanna make sure that I have a counter punch in mind because I'm still in my opponent's punching range. When I roll to the left to shift my weight here, I now have a counter shot with my left hand. Here, here, or even here. Same thing with the right. When I roll here, my weight comes to this leg. So now I have a counter shot set up for here, here, or here. Think of it as just moving your weight to give you leverage on your counter shot. Try it out. Let me know if you guys have any questions in the comment section.